go wrong when the scent of the lingers and temptation strong. Cold, cold heart, done by you. Something's looking better, baby, just passing through. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man you think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. And this is what I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it hid. Cold, cold heart, done by you. Some things look better, baby, just passing through. It's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. And it's what I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it hid. Cold, cold hearts are done by you. Some things look better, baby, just passing through. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. And this is what I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it hid. Well, alrighty there, pluckers, I saw things again with you, hopefully with another interesting lesson for you. Something a little bit more modern than I usually do. A song from Elton John and Lipa, I hope that's the right pronunciation, and a remix song called Cold Heart. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on fret 1. This puts us into the same key as the recording by Elton John and Lipa. So we can play along with the record to your heart's content. Okay, so this song is relatively simple. It's got 4 chords in it and it just goes round and round and round. Okay, sometimes it's single strums and sometimes it's like a disco beat, but it's the same 4 songs all the way through the song. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction is the 4 chords but just single strums, and the 4 chords are A minor 7, that's an A minor with the 3rd finger lifted up, open 3rd string, 5 down to 1. Okay, so that's the 1st finger, 1st fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the 4th string from the capo, 5 down to 1. 2nd chord is a D minor 7th, which is this. You can imagine an F, simple F chord, but lift off the 3rd finger altogether. Just leave those 2 fingers behind, barring the first 2 strings on the 1st fret from the capo, 1st finger, and the 2nd finger's playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from the capo, open 5th string, open 4th string, 5 down to 1 again. The 3rd chord is an F chord, so the choice is yours. Preferably a bar chord F is my choice, because then you get the depth of the bassy notes, yeah. But if you can't manage the basic F chord, bar chord, then a simple F will suffice, or a 4-fingered F, where this 3rd finger goes up from a simple F to the 3rd fret on the 5th string from the capo, and the pinky takes over on the 3rd fret from the capo on the 4th string. 5 down to 1 in that case. So simple F, 4-fingered F, or 4-bar chord F. Okay. And the last chord, the 4th chord, is very simple. 1 finger, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the 5th string. All 6 strings, E minor 7. Okay, those are the 4 chords, and it goes round and round and round. So the first 2 times you play it, it's just the intro and it's just single strums. Okay, so it's A minor 7th, D minor 7th, F, whichever F you're playing, E minor 7th, repeat, A minor 7, D minor 7, F, E minor 7. Now it gets going, with the bass and the drums and everything come in, and we play a disco beat. Okay, it's the same chords, but with a disco beat, so it's try and slow that down for you. I don't give strumming patterns, okay, as you probably will do aware, but I will try and slow it down for you. And also you can slow the video down to see, try and slow my hand down even more if you want to. So it's dun 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 dun, that sort of thing. Okay, so once it gets going, that's the beat all the way through the song until you get towards the end of the song, and then it does Cold Cold Heart with single strums again. But so when it gets going, you do 2 lots of the disco beat. So you've done 2 lots of the single strums, then you get 2 lots of the disco beat, and then the singing kicks in. Okay. It's a human sign when things go wrong, when the scent of her lingers and temptation's strong. Change song. Cold, cold heart, so cold hardened by you. Something's looking better, baby, just passing through. Keep going on his chords, and I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 keep going with the same chords, and this is what I should have said. Well, I thought but I kept it hid. Alright, keep going. Cold, cold heart, hardened by you. Some things look better, baby, just passing through. Change the song, but keep going. I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man, sorry, the man at home. Oh no, 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 keep going. And this is what I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it hid. Single strums. Cold heart, not done by you. Some things look better, baby, just passing through. Back to the disco beat. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 keep going. And this is what I I said, I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it. And do single strums now. Finish on the A minor 7th. Okay, that's just my arrangement. Obviously on the original it carries on and does a little bit more on the verses and the choruses, but it's the same all the way through. But you get the idea, hopefully. So there you have it, boys and girls. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.